wanted to take just a moment to explain how to check the spark to make sure that your motorcycle can run. We're working on a 1000cc Virago made by Yamaha. It's simply start by first shutting off the gas flow so that you don't accidentally start the bike. Now I already have gas in the filter and in the carburetor. Step one is to go ahead and remove one of the spark plug wires. Grab yourself the ratchet that fits that spark plug. Simply remove that spark plug. Once you get the spark plug removed, don't drop it or anything. This will test this spark plug. Now if you look at the tip, you can see it's got a little bit of wetness to it. That means that it's probably getting a little bit too much fuel. But we're going to take that spark plug and seat it into the spark plug wire, just like it would be attached to the bike. And then what we're going to do is we're going to ground it to a ground on the bike. So in this case, we're just going to set it right there against the engine so that I can see the probe. Now, simply turn your ignition on, and we're looking for spark. Now, as you can see from that test, this spark plug has a really good, really bright spark. That basically means that the coil's pumping the power right. As long as you see a spark, you're good to go. Hook her back up and let her ride.